Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Hadi and student ID 10 20 12 400 to 68, and my class is PI 48 Inter. Today I would like to present a case study about the design of radiation therapy problem. It is adapted from Miller and Lieberman, Introduction to Operation Research. This topic combines medical treatment and optimizes through the use of linear programming to design an effective radiation plan for a cancer patient. Uh, Design of radiation therapy. Mary has just been diagnosed as having a cancer at a fairly advanced stage. Specifically, she has a large malignant tumor in the bladder area, a gallbladder lesion. Mary is to receive the most advanced medical care available to give her every possible chance to survival. This care will include extensive radiation therapy. Radiation therapy involves using an external beam treatment machine to pass ionizing radiation through the patient body, damaging both cancerous and healthy tissue. Each beam delivers more radiation to the tissue near the entry point than to the tissue near the exit point. Scatter also causes some delivery of radiation to tissue outside the direct path of the beam because tumor cell are typically microscopically interpreted among healthy cells. The radiation dosage throughout the tumor region must be large enough to kill the malignant cells, which are slightly more radiosensitive, yet small enough to spare the healthy cell. Uh, the design of radiation therapy. Goal of the design to select the combination of the beam to be used and the intensity of each one to generate the best possible dose distribution. Once the treatment design has been developed, it's administered in many installments spread over several weeks. To illustrate how the artificially variable technique deal with functional constraint in bigger than form. To illustrate how the artificially variable technique, we will use the model of design Mary radiation therapy. And the data for the design of Mary radiation therapy is the area is the four, uh, the empat. The first healthy anatomy, the second critical tissue, the third tumor region, and the fourth center of tumor. This function of entry thus absorbed by area average. Beam 1 and beam 2. Beam 1 healthy anatomy is 0.4. The critical tissue is 0.3. The tumor region is 0.5. The center of tumor is 0.6. And the beam 2, the healthy anatomy is 0.5. Critical tissue is 0.1. The tumor region is 0.5. The center of tumor is 0.4. Res- Restriction on total effort dozen kilorads. The minimize is less than or equal 7, equal 6, and bigger than equal 6. Design of radical therapy. The data from table can be used directly to formulate the following data program model. And x1 equal the dash at the entry point for beam 1 in kilorats, and x2 equal the dash at the entry point for beam 2 in kilorats. The objective function is to minimize the total radiation absorbed by healthy tissue. The minimize is z equal 0.4 x1 plus 0.5 is x2. Subject to the following constraint is 0.3 x1 plus 0.1 x2 less than or equal 7, 0.5 x1 plus 0.5 x2 equals 6, and 0.6 x1 plus 0.4 x2 is bigger than uh, less than 6. This constraint has a limit on radiational does different at different point in the body. Is the answer. Next, we convert the model into standard form by introducing slack and surplus variable to turn all uh, inequalities into equalities. The step allow you to solve the model using the simple method. Standard form, the minimize is z equal 0.4 x1 plus 0.5 x2 plus 0 x3 plus 0 x4, subject to 0.3 x1 plus 0.1 x2 plus x3, 0.5 x1 plus 0.5 x2 equals 6, 0.6 x1 plus 0.4 x2 minus x4 equal 6. And x1, x2, x3, x4 bigger than 0. And the answer to the sonic form, then we add artificial variable to handle the equality and uh, bigger than or equal uh, constraint. This process transforms the model into conical form, which prepare in it for the two-phase simplex method. And the sonic form minimize z equal 0.4 x1 plus 0.5 x2 plus 0 x3 plus 0 x4 plus mx5 and plus mx6, subject to 0.3 x1 plus 0.1 x2 plus 3 equals 7, 0.5 x1 plus 0.5 x2 plus x5 equals 6, 0.6 x1 plus 0.4 x2 minus 4x plus x6 equals 6. X1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x6 uh, bigger than 0, bigger than or equal 0. And the iteration 1, we start with initial basic feasible solution the included the artificial variable. We calculate the z g minus uh, cj values to determine which variable shall enter or leave the basis. Beam 1 x1 give us the large improvement. So it enters the basis first. And after updating the table, the new solution show improvement uh, in the objective function. Beam once don't does increase, while beam two does tends toward zero, meaning beam one contribute more eh, meaning beam one contribute more effectively to reaching the required dash constraint. And the iteration tree, the solution establishes no more negatives J minus Cj values appear. This indicates that we have reached the optimal solution. From the final simplex table, we get x1 equal 12, uh, x2 equal 0, and z equal 4.8. Ah, the conclusion is the optimal dash from beam uh, uh, dash from beam is the beam one is 12 kilorats, and for beam 2 is 0 kilorats. The minimum radiation absorbed by healthy tissue is 4.8 kilorats. And this result show that focusing the treatment on the beam 1 only give the safety and most effective radiation therapy plan for Mary. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.